Hey there, fellow nature enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery that's got the scientific community buzzing, the coffee frogs of Costa Rica. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about these tiny amphibians? Well, let me tell you, it's not just their adorable name and unique appearance that make them captivating. It's the story of their existence and the challenges they face that truly captivates the imagination. First things first, these coffee frogs, officially known as Istmohyla nacientes, are a species of tree frog that has been hiding in plain sight. They've been around since the 1960s, but it wasn't until recently that scientists correctly identified them. You see, nature can be sneaky, and sometimes, it takes a keen eye and cutting-edge technology to uncover its secrets. But what makes these frogs truly remarkable is their connection to the coffee plantations they call home. As Wagner Chavez-Acuna, a researcher involved in the study, explains, these frogs are not just any ordinary amphibians. They have a special talent for singing. Yes, you heard that right. These tiny creatures serenade each other with high-pitched calls, and the males even have translucent throats that inflate as they sing. It's like a miniature opera performance in the heart of the coffee fields. But what makes this even more intriguing is the fact that these frogs are not just passing through, they're making their homes in these plantations. Now, you might be thinking, why is this significant? Well, it turns out that these coffee frogs are not just any ordinary frogs. They're an endemic species, meaning they're found nowhere else on Earth. And that's not all. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem. These frogs are not after the coffee berries, they're more interested in the small insects that call the plantations home. So, in a way, they're like the unsung heroes of the coffee industry, keeping the pest population in check. However, as with many stories of wonder and beauty, there's a catch. These frogs are facing numerous threats, and it's not just the typical challenges of habitat loss and pollution. The use of pesticides in coffee plantations is a significant concern. You see, these poisons don't just stay on the leaves, they travel through the air and seep into the soil, eventually making their way into the aquatic systems where the tadpoles develop. It's like a toxic cocktail being brewed right under our noses. But here's the thing, this isn't just a local issue. It's a global one. As tourism increases and more people visit these coffee-growing regions, the pressure on these fragile ecosystems intensifies. And let's not forget the impact of waste dumping and the loss of vegetation due to the invasion of protected areas. It's a complex web of challenges that threatens the very existence of these unique frogs. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it raises a deeper question. How can we balance our need for coffee with the preservation of these delicate ecosystems? It's a delicate dance, and it requires a shift in perspective. We can't just consume coffee without considering the impact on the environment. We need to think about sustainable practices and the role that conservation efforts can play in protecting these unique species. In my opinion, this story is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our world. It's a call to action, urging us to be more mindful of our choices and the impact they have on the environment. So, the next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the tiny creatures that might be singing in the background. Because in the grand scheme of things, they're not just frogs, they're a vital part of a complex and beautiful ecosystem. What do you think? Is there a deeper meaning to this story? How can we ensure that these coffee frogs continue to thrive in the face of these challenges? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning the world around you.